Hi, thanks for watching. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make snappers using these wacky tracks. Now, if you're new to this channel, please do click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get new updates on activities you can do at home. We appreciate it so much. Moving on, we'll be needing 24 tracks. So you need to form and connect those. It's really difficult to connect them, so just ask for help from an adult. So you see, it's really difficult to connect them. I'm having a hard time connecting those. Just make 3 tracks on each side. Okay, we're gonna connect the last track. Now on the edge of those sides, just pull it up, bend it, and pull it up. There. Do it all on 4 sides. Just like that. Wow! And we're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps. And don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell and hit the like button also. Thank you.